Hi, it's AJ, and welcome to part 2 of the Tony and Frank video. Actually, it's 3 people. Tony Robbins, Frank Kern, and John Reese. So in part 2, we watched part 1. Part 1 was the introduction by Tony Robbins. Now in part 2, we see that Frank Kern and John Reese are driving to a hotel to meet with Tony Robbins. So first we find them in their car. They're in the car and they call Tony Robbins on the phone. They have a wireless phone. So let's watch.
We got the dialing.
Frank.
Tony, what's up?
Okay, so you can see this is such a common way to say hello, especially in America. What's up? Hey Tony, what's up? Hey Tony, what's up? Right? It's not just hello. How are you? Now it's most common we say, what's up? I say this with my friends. I call them on the phone. I say, hey, what's up? Hey means hi, and what's up means how are you or what are you doing? So I will say, hey, what's up? Or what are you doing? Another greeting is, what you doing? What you doing means, what are you doing? What are you doing? But if we make it very fast and short, we say, what you doing? What you doing? What's up? They're all just greetings. So Frank says, hey Tony, what's up?
Good thing, man. How about you?
I'm good. Listen, we've got a serious issue that I think is affecting our market. And
Okay, so they say, how are you? And Frank Kern says, I'm good. Then he says, we have a serious issue that is facing our market. Now, issue means problem. So we have a serious problem that's facing our market. It means that's hitting our market, or that is in our market. And these guys, they're internet marketers. They are internet business people. So they're saying our customers, what they mean is our customers have a serious problem. And we need your help, Tony.
And we need your help. We actually don't know if we can solve this problem, but we think that you can.
So we don't know if we can solve this problem, but we think you can. He's talking to Tony Robbins, so he's saying, Frank Kern is saying, I don't think I can solve this problem, and John Reese, who's also a very big, famous internet businessman, he's saying he can't solve the problem, but they think Tony Robbins can. So they want to come and talk to Tony.
So we want to barge in today. We're kind of riding around anyway.
So he's saying we want to barge in. We're kind of riding around anyway. To barge in, this is a common phrase. To barge in means to visit someone, but it has this idea that you are interrupting them. Right? Tony's working. He's at a hotel. They're making videos for his business. And Frank and John, they're going to interrupt him. They're going to barge in. To barge in means to come in suddenly. Right? To suddenly come in somewhere. And it has this idea that you are interrupting a little bit, that you didn't plan to come. The person is not expecting you. You just suddenly come to their house and you come in. That's what to barge in means. So they're saying, we want to come barge into your hotel. We want to suddenly just come to your hotel and interrupt you and talk to you.
I know you're shooting and stuff, but
we know you're shooting and stuff. Shooting means, to shoot means to film video, right? They're making videos. So we say to shoot videos. Or sometimes we say to shoot photos. It just means take a video, take a photo. And he says, and stuff, it just means and other things. You're shooting a video and stuff. You're making a video and you're doing other things. So he's saying, we know you're busy now, but we want to barge in. We want to interrupt you.
if you got a couple minutes so we can pop by, that sure would be helpful.
Okay, so he said, if you have a couple minutes and we can pop by, that would be helpful. Frank Kern's great because he has a very casual way of speaking. So you hear a lot of idioms when you hear Frank. He says, I hope we can pop by. To pop by, also it has an idea of to quickly visit someone. again, it's the idea, it's spontaneous. There's no plan, right? There was no schedule. They didn't have a plan to visit Tony this day. They want to pop by. That means they want to visit him quickly. Just suddenly come over and visit him. Spontaneous, no plan, very quick.
Okay, well, I'm honored if you help me. Come on over, let's go see you.
Okay, it's hard to hear Tony here in the phone, but he says, I'm honored. It means I would be happy to have you. Come on over. Come over.
Okay. See you,
All right,
man.
man.
Bye.
The 14, John. Bye-bye.
Yep, that's it.
Okay, see you. Goodbye.
So why are we in a hotel anyways?
Okay, so he's see you. Obviously, that's the way we say goodbye a lot. And then John here is saying, why are we in a hotel anyways? He's asking Frank, why don't we go to Tony's house? And Frank tells him, well, Tony likes to shoot videos in a very nice hotel because the hotel looks very nice. So they make their videos in a hotel sometimes. Maybe I should try that. We have a better background than this.
I use this place a lot to shoot stuff because it's got a really nice background.
Got a nice
It's
background.
really nice outdoor
Filming
stuff.
different guests and interviews
Yeah.
and TV commercials.
Hey, man. How's it going?
Okay, so then he knocks on the door to where Tony Robbins is. Another guy answers the phone. He says, hey, man, what's up? How's it going? Okay, how's it going means how is it going? How's it going is another greeting. How's it going? What's up? What you doing? How are you? Same meaning. We use questions a lot in English for greetings. And you can give a short answer. You don't need to have a big, long answer. Just say, fine, okay, something like that. And then you also notice that Frank Kern says, hey man, how's it going? Now this is a very common, very, very casual phrase. And it doesn't have really much meaning, but it gives a casual feeling to a conversation. When you say, hey man, how's it going? It shows that you're being very casual. This is not formal business. If I go to a bank, for example, and I want to get money, I will not say, hey man, how's it going? It's too casual. That's what I say to my friends or to somebody that it's a casual relationship. At a bank, I would say, hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. But in a casual greeting, you might say, hey man, what's up? How's it going? Frank Kern is super casual. He's a multi-millionaire, super rich guy. He's probably one of the most famous internet business people in the world. He made, I can't remember, $24 million in one day. He's very good. But he's funny. He's a funny guy. He's super funny. I saw him speak recently at a seminar, and he's so funny. He's like a comedian. And he's a very, very relaxed, casual guy. So his speech is very, very casual. So let's keep going. How's it going? Hey, man, how's it going?
All right. Thank you. Hey,
Hey,
Tony.
guy.
What's up?
How you doing, man?
What's up?
Okay, so you hear again these casual greetings that we use with friends or with casual situations. Hey, man, how's it going? What's up? Just casual way to say hello.
All this.
Doing a little leadership filming now.
That's all.
And then Frank says, what's all this? It means they have these lights. He's like, what's all this? What's happening? And Tony says, we're doing a leadership film. They're making a film about leadership.
Awesome.
Good to see you.
All right. Thanks for having us, man.
Very good.
Awesome, great. Thanks for having us, man. Thanks for having us, man means thanks for having us come over to your place. He's just thanking him. Thank you for letting us come over.
Well, come on in. I'm curious what this major problem is.
He says, come on in. Come in. Come on in. It also means come in. Same meaning. He says, I'm curious what this major problem is. Now, you notice, too, they give each other hugs. So this is a common thing in America with friends, with people who know each other that will give each other a hug. I'll give my friends a hug, my good friends, like my friend Todd, my friend Kristen. I will hug them. If I don't know somebody well, then, if it's more formal, again, of course, we shake hands.
you got to see me right away about this. Sounds like a setup to me,
It's
man.
a setup, yeah.
He says, I'm curious about what you need to see me right away about. Right away means immediately.